Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am doing a 4K camera battle between the S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is in 4K at 60. I'm gonna do 4K at 30, and then also some front-facing 4K footage, and then some nighttime 4K video. But I'm just walking around talking to a couple phones. What y'all think about the video? I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth so that way you can hear the audio. But if you don't have the tree bark in here, or you're really doing a comparison, I don't know. Look, slow pan. Now, will any of these phones overheat? Because, you know, I'm in 4K at 60, I don't know. I'm gonna come back and do 4K at 30, like I said. But let's see, the stabilization on both of them. I'm just holding the phones and trying them out. But I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on both phones. Yes, I'm still walking around the school. It is hot in Texas, y'all. Still. I mean, well, we only in August, so I act like still. But what y'all think about it? What y'all thought about the 4K at 60? It is just hot, though. Look at the colors. Look at the sky. Which one looks better? You know, the Fold last year, they said the cameras were not up to par. Now I can zoom in, or do ultra wide actually, and then I can zoom out 3 times zoom, or zoom in, and I can be normal. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Again, I like doing these camera comparisons, tests, whatever you want to call them, just to test out the cameras and let y'all see what y'all can get. Maybe you're thinking about getting rid of the S22 Ultra to pick up the Fold, like I'm doing. Look, there's a new building name. But I'm gonna come back with the front-facing video soon, so that way we can see that too. But it is definitely a pretty day in Texas. Look at the rocks. Which one does a better job? They actually both look pretty damn good on the phones right now. But I'm gonna come back with the front-facing video. Until then, peace, y'all. Okay, everyone, so this is the 4K at 60 frames per second on the front-facing camera. I forgot what I was doing. Which one looks the best? Which one, you know, makes me look the best, which is hard to do. But look at the sky. Which one does a better job with the sky? They actually look good. Now, I love the Samsung phones because you can do 4K at 60. So if you want to vlog with this camera, you can actually vlog with it if you wanted to. Now, I think people are over here, so they're probably going to be like, why is this guy talking to the phones? But what y'all think? Y'all let me know. I like doing, like I said earlier, I like doing these comparisons just to give everybody a chance to see what you get. I love both of these phones. I mean, when you talk about Galaxy and Samsung, they make great phones. They always get hate. They always get discussions about them. Are they doing enough? Do they cost too much? All this stuff. But when it comes down to it, they make quality software, really good hardware. The software is there, and the results are there. I mean, look at it. But y'all let me know. Look at the stabilization, just walking around. Stay tuned. I might have some photos next, and then also some nighttime video. But until then, peace, y'all. And how is the cameras doing with the wind right now? Y'all let me know. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is a nighttime video. This is in 4K at 60 FPS on the Z Fold 4 and also the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yes, I'm at my famous little parking lot. But what y'all thought about the daytime video and the, you know, the 4K at 60 and the 4K at 30? Yes, I'm just holding the phones, as you can tell by my shadow. But they're building something new over here. I think it's a gym, a Planet Fitness, but not too sure. Haven't looked it up yet. But a slow pan of the area. I mean, y'all let me know, how does everything sound? How does everything look? But this is just going to be the 4K battle. I might even do like an 8K video battle too. But I just wanted to come out here and show y'all. Look at baby girl. Now, will y'all be shooting video at nighttime? I usually don't, to be honest. I usually do not shoot video in low light. I don't have a reason to. But I know a lot of people do. So I'm going to come back at the front-facing video and wrap this up. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the 4K front-facing video. This is at 4K at 60 on both phones. Again, I love that these phones can do 4K at 60 on their front cameras. So you can actually vlog with this and get away with it. At least I think so. But what y'all think? How did the 4K at nighttime look? And also the daytime video. Do y'all think y'all gonna pick up these phones? Or if you have the S22 Ultra, should you upgrade and get the the Z Fold 4? That is a decision you have to make, but I love how the folding phone works. That's just me. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Look, slow pan of the area. Baby girl's back there. I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on both of these phones. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.